Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Tennessee heading west on I-40. We begin at exit 432A on the western edge of the city of Newport in Cocke County. We enter Jefferson County, Tennessee, which has a population of 53,535. We very quickly passed through the town of Dandridge, the county seat of Jefferson County. Dandridge bills itself as the second oldest city in Tennessee, behind only Jonesboro. Most of the historic commercial center of Dandridge sits below the high-level watermark of Douglas Lake and is protected by a saddle dam. Dandridge has a population of 2,956 as of 2016. At exit 415, I-40 connects with US 25W and US 70, and the unsigned Tennessee State Route 66 runs concurrent from here to exit 407. We enter Sevier County in the city of Sevierville. Sevierville has a population of 16,665 and is home of the Bloomin' Barbecue and Bluegrass Festival, the Dumplin' Valley Bluegrass Festival, a Corvette Expo, the Sevier County Fair, Shadrack's Christmas Wonderland, and the Sevierville Annual Christmas Parade. Popular tourist attractions are the Forbidden Caverns, Douglas Dam, Foxfire Mountain Adventure Park, the Tennessee Museum of Aviation, NASCAR Speed Park, and Sky High Air Tours. Sevierville is also in close proximity to Pigeon Forge, home of Dolly Parton's Dollywood, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and the mountain resort city of Gatlinburg. We conclude today's drive at exit 407, which features a diverging diamond interchange up above. The concurrency with State Route 66 also ends here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.